Would you hold my hand, look me in the eyes? You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be.
Okay, so I got these from the Dollar Tree. I got some blueberry muffins. I picked up some noodles because I'm still kind of eating soft food. Some of my foods I've already ate. And then I picked up some peach tea. I had green tea, but you've seen green tea before. And then I got these, what are these things called? Detanglers. Hair detanglers. I like these kid detanglers. I've always gotten those. I picked up this lotion. This is the Cherry Blossom and Peach scent. I still cannot smell. I'm getting like a small scent coming from things, but it's the same scent. Everything smells like, it's almost like this sweet tart smell. It's weird. So then I got these bath salts. This is rose bath salts. And then I wanted some pink. Let me scoop my stuff over. My skirts. My stuff. I got this because you can add sugar in it. You just heat it up. This is unsweetened tea. I've tasted it and it is not good, so you can add sugar to it. What is this? I'm trying to find the color. This is called Sparked by Wet n Wild. I wanted some pink and pale looking colors, neutral colors. So this is called Delicate. And then this one is China Glaze. I was so shocked because I used to get China Glaze. It was like $3 a nail polish. This is called Vacay Dreams. And then like this one is Pink Bubbles. And then this one is Simply. La la, it's a nude color. I wonder if I take this to the nail salon, if they will do my nails this color. I don't know. They're finicky about you bring your own nail polish. And then I got some pudding and some applesauce. And then I got some new lemon decorations because my other ones have been used and stuff. So that's my little haul. Okay, so I'm getting ready to try another recipe from Facebook. I got this new cutting board I want to share with you guys. This is from Walmart. It was $7. It was on clearance with $7. This is a good cutting board. So let me move this to the side for a minute. We have our extra virgin olive oil because it calls for olive oil. Garlic salt. We're going to use garlic salt with parsley. Minced garlic. 3 cloves. We're going to use like a teaspoon of minced garlic. Then black pepper. Paprika. And that's for salt. And wait a minute. The yellow potatoes because I don't have any red potatoes. And instead of Parmesan cheese, we're going to use mozzarella. They say you can substitute these dishes, so I usually use what I got because you never know if you're going to go to the store and they're going to be out of it, so you got to do what you can do. So I'm getting ready to cook tonight's dinner. It's going in the crock pot over here. And this, by the way, is a chicken dish. So I'm going to be using these boneless chicken thighs. It calls for skin on, but I'm going to use these skinless because like I said, you may go in the store and not be able to find the ingredients you need. So let's go ahead and cook dinner.
So many questions that